breakfast. This is this is the best spot. Ayan o, ang ganda ng hotel. Oh, ito pala ang ano. Nathaniel.
Singapore style noodles, which make it all a little look at when drink is concerned.
Oh, weather. Parang walang sasakyan dumadaan dito sa gitna. So, dito tayo sa gitna. Gandang maglakad sa gitna. Yun.
We're going to the British Columbia Parliament. Every capital has a parliament.
Good morning everyone. So today is May 31. We are here now in Victoria, British Columbia, and I will walk you around the area. We're on top of the parking spot actually. Ito na kami. Ayan. Ito kami sa, ito yung pinaka downtown Victoria. Oh, ganda. Oh, kitang-kita na yung buong city. Hindi na ako kailangan maglakad. Kitang-kita na dito. Oh, ayun. Yung buong city. Dito pa sa kabila. Ayan. Ang kita. Dito naman tayo sa kabila. I'll show you the whole the 360 of Victoria, British Columbia. Ayan. Very nice. So, maglalakad-lakad tayo ng konti dito sa baba para makita natin yung kabuuan. Ang problema ay umuulan.
Oh, it's outdoor research, the name of it.
Rain again.
Huh?
It's raining again.
Oh boy.
Looks like it's gonna be like this for the rest of the day. Rain stop. Ito pala ang weather dito sa Victoria. Maya iulan, maya titila. So ikot-ikot tayo dito. Baka makakakita tayo ng Tim Horton. Ha?
You got a yellow one, we're good.
A good tandem.
Langley Street. Oh, I like that. It's a...
Yeah, like the township.
Yes.
Like you're on the
It's a... Mark on the...
you're on the ship crew.
No, it's like an old airway. Yeah? When I took it out of my backpack, I said, oh, this is different than it's lighter.
Wow, nice building, Hudson Bay. Probably pasasaan ba't makakakita rin tayo ng Tim Horton dito? Huh? Government Street.
That's my shoes. New Balance.
This is Bastion Square. This is a popular stop for the ghost tours because they used to execute people here.
Fashion Square.
Yeah, they used to hang people. Right here? Yeah, right in there. And they say you can feel people walking by you.
Ito na. So this is the Victorian style. Look, because we are in Victoria, British Columbia.
If you move here, the only problem is when you die.
They're Victorian style.
Oh, very nice. Very nice ceiling. Morning. They just park on the street. And it costs them 50 cents. You know, they don't mind.
So in Victoria, most of the building are like Victorian style. Look, that's a Victorian style building. Nice to walk along the street. Magaganda yung mga bahay dito. Oh. Yung Victorian style.
Okay. And when you do come, you make sure you head towards the Wadsworth and watch that. And then you have an extra shoes, right?
Oh, ice cream. We're gonna check out the ice cream. Mukhang masarap. Ito, kumakain kami ice cream. Victorian ice cream.
Riverdale was filmed in Vancouver.
Which one?
Riverdale? Like the Archie
Wow.
Comics one is on Netflix. They do a lot of filming.
There's another one that was filmed here, Sitad. You know the one that we've been watching?
Oh, and they filmed the X-Men. Wait, what? They filmed the last of us
Sarap.
in Victoria?
Vancouver.
They filmed the X-Men at the Hatley Castle in Victoria, or at the railroads. Yeah, so the house that
Okay, so we're heading now sa Parliament. Victoria is the capital of British Columbia. So, ayan, daming tao. We are on the government street. What is this?
this is the Empress Hotel.
Oh, it's a hotel.
That you said earlier?
Yeah, it's a fancy one. We can walk near it.
Sun's coming out in 3 hours.
Terribly cold.
And that's the Parliament.
Yeah.
No, it's pretty.
Cross this and then we're good to go. I like the ocean. Yeah, they're cute, aren't they?
What's this? A whale?
Mahirap mag-picture.
Dapat picture ng Nathaniel. So we're going around. First to the hotel and then we go to the Parliament. Humboldt Street. The greatest little show on earth.
I don't know if it was going to be bumping.
There is?
There's some examples of things about it. But like we know people who have the head pass.
But that should have been brought up, you know?
It should have been, and that's why the Royal DC Museum, when we went there, they didn't say anything about.
This is the front of the hotel.
That was really
Empress Hotel.
like there's so many places. And they opened up a museum in Chinatown in 2020. So like very close. I'm like, why did it take so long?
It's a part of legacy. I don't know, like, how the
That's a big. Ang laki nitong hotel na to. Nathaniel, you know what to do? Ayan o, ang ganda ng hotel. Oh, ito pala ang ano. Nathaniel. Nathaniel, I think this is the best. This is the best spot. Sightseeing Victoria. Ayan, si Darna, lumilipad na. Darna! Dapat ito ang ating ano yun, sinakyan. Yo, malapit na kami sa Parliament Building. Ang dami namang iniikutan itong aming guide eh.
Hindi aming tour guide.
Hindi kami makarating doon sa pupuntahan namin.
Ang daming pizza.
Ang daming stopover. Oh boy. What's inside? Picture taking? Yeah, magche-check-in na kami dito sa Empress Hotel.
We're checking in.
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I know.
Thank you. This is our hotel for the last 2 days, 2 nights. Ang papakita ko sa inyo yung aming titigilan. Yan. Ito yung lobby ng aming hotel. Ito yung lobby ng ating hotel. Lobby lang ha. Lobby. Okay, wait. Kainan pala to. Farm court. Victorian. Oh, yan oh. Ito, Victoria Conference Room. Wow. Ang galing. Ang daming totem pole. You can get out from here. Look. Wow. Emily car.
Emily car.
Emily car that has no car.
It's like you had 7. You had 7 creative artists. That was
The IMAX and the Parliament.
Walang ano sa ating tour guide eh. Walang pasabi-sabi.
I know. Yun.
We're going to the British Columbia Parliament. So every capital has a parliament eh. Parliament
Yeah.
building.
So ito na yung Parliament building ng Victoria. Daniel, can we souvenir shot?
Yeah, between like the war zone and jail, I think I'd rather be in jail.
I would rather be in jail.
Of course, you're not doing anything there.
Yeah, just hanging out.
I was talking about draft dodging.
You eat, sleep, you eat, sleep.
Like, what are they gonna do? Redraft you? You've already dodged once.
I would definitely dodge.
Yeah.
Not my war. Why are you making me?
So, who is this lady?
That's Queen Victoria.
When she was younger?
Yeah.
Yeah, before she died.
Victoria.
She looks like a really
She looks very.
colonizer.
1901, 1837.
That's
66.
That's long for back then. 64?
Yeah.
That's long for back then.
Be careful, though, it's slippery.
But you know, Queen Elizabeth, I think. Closer.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, may manok na nakawala. Oh, yan. Closer na tayo.
Yes, to go inside today, you just need tickets to go on a guided tour. We are giving away free tickets. The next available one is at 2:20.
No problem, enjoy your day.
220 you free, eh?
40 minutes.
What if we just.
Like I can.
Inner harbor. Let's see what's in over here. Wow, lots of walking again. Okay. Be careful.
You want to buy that stand-up paddle at Costco?
Huh?
Stand-up paddle at Costco. So we can go to the conservation area and do the paddling.
No. Just renting it. Okay, this is much closer now.
Oh, I thought there's a people over here.
Harbor Tour and Water Taxi. Ayan, oh, may taxi na naman dito. Talagang kahit saan. Pera-pera yan eh. Ayan, ang ganda ng tanawin dito. Ayan, may kainan naman dito. Pupunta naman kami ngayon dito sa tawag nila Chinatown. So, we'll see what Chinatown looks like. Tingnan natin kung ano itsura ng Chinatown. Pero, ito, ikutan muna natin to. Yan ang 360 again, oh. Galing. Okay, we're back to the government street. And the weather is getting nicer. Ito na, maganda na yung gumaganda na yung ating weather. Parang walang sasakyan dumadaan dito sa gitna. So, dito tayo sa gitna. Magandang maglakad sa gitna.
Very new.
Oh, we're getting closer na sa Chinatown. Kasi nakakita na ako ng dragon.
Chinatown.
The oldest Chinatown in Canada. You know why? Tell me why.
Huh? Say that again?
The oldest Chinatown in Canada. Why is that?
Why?
Hmm?
Why is it the oldest town, the oldest Chinatown in Canada? It's in Victoria. Why? Because they're the ones who
Build the rail.
created the railway here in Victoria. They were brought up from China.
In 19th century.
Was it 19th century or 18th century? We gotta Google that. We need to find that out. According to
I can see the
Sharon.
dragon.
Where's the dragon?
Enter the dragon.
And take the dragon.
Goda.
You can see there's 2 lions. Typically they have 1 male lion and 1 female dragon, or 1 female lion. And so the male one is the one with the ball, and the female one is the one with the baby. And we're not going to talk about that.
The lioness is the one making food.
So this is the
Food is the baby.
Chinese
They
entrance.
look for the food.
Oh yeah, it's true. They hunt together.
Yeah. Oh, what
So the Chinatown. Okay, we're strolling along Chinatown.
That's
In
just
Victoria.
dim sum, but more expensive.
They call it Chinatown, but it's no longer Chinese. Mostly white.
They're trying to revive the Chinese culture.
Little Yunnan restaurant. So Chinatown in Vancouver. Oh no, not Vancouver, Victoria.
Singapore style noodles, which Miguel will look at when drinking his consent.
Oh, is that the alley?
This is run by white people. So this is run by white people.
Best of both worlds.
We going there?
Yeah, we are.
Okay. So this is the smallest street.
Here we're into the past.
The smallest street in
This is like
Vancouver.
Montreal. In Quebec City, right?
Yeah.
Look for the red door.
Oh, checkout menu. Smell like oil. Smells like reused oil.
The smallest street.
Turtle Express.
Titingnan namin. Yeah. Halika. Nope. Kingming. Oh, ayan oh. Yung mga naunang Chinese dito sa Victoria. Ayan, kapalakpakan sila. Ayan, nagmamadyong-madyong sila, oh. Madyong-madyong. Oh, what's this? Yeah. Thank you.
Different stars, and they had to pay 500, and we were given 300, so quite different. I didn't know much of this at all.
Another alley here. I can smell food. Meron pala ditong look. Meron ditong Filipino bakery. Ayun, oh. Bibili naman kami ng siopaw, pandesal. Ayan. May pandesal. Ayan, oh. Mamaya bibili tayo dyan. Ikot lang muna tayo dito.
Once it's ripped, it's booked.
Ayan, bumibili kami ng pandesal dito sa Victoria. Meron palang bakery din dito. may bakery sa Victoria. Bibili kami ng pananghalian. Para medyo matipid. Para matipid ang peg, bumili ka ng pandesal.